Dry air has moved in over central and western South Africa over the past 24 hours, and that's brought a very sunny day across the region today. Further north, we've seen cloudy skies across much of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, where the temperatures have remained quite cool during the course of today. And we've also seen a few thunder showers developing in places over parts of southern Limpopo and into the eastern parts of Botswana. On our futurecast, we can see that it's going to remain clear across the western parts of South Africa tonight. Another chilly night expected across much of those areas. Morning fog patches expected on Friday along the eastern escarpment. And then in the afternoon, a few very isolated thunder showers are likely to develop once again over parts of Mpumalanga as well as eastern and central Limpopo. A weak cold front is going to be brushing over the southwestern Cape, bringing a small chance of light rain to parts of the Overberg, especially in the morning and early afternoon. Moving ahead now to rainfall probabilities, where we're expecting just a very slight chance for thunder showers over the northeastern corner of South Africa, remaining dry in the Lowveld as well as into Gauteng, and dry and clear conditions continue to dominate across the central and western parts of the country. A closer look at Durban's weather conditions now, partly cloudy overnight with a minimum temperature of 19 degrees. And by tomorrow afternoon, the northeasterly winds pick up to about 20 kilometers per hour, mostly sunny with a maximum of 26. Wind conditions now across the rest of the country, where we're expecting near calm weather across the Free State as well as the Northern Cape, as well as for the interior of the Eastern Cape overnight. That's going to help the temperatures to drop fairly low as well in some areas. And as the cold front moves through along the south coast as we head into tomorrow, southwesterly winds move in behind it, but those are only going to become moderate during the afternoon and early evening hours. Here we see the cool weather conditions overnight across the southern and central parts of South Africa, even into the single digits for some areas. Far to the north, we're expecting it to remain relatively warm, 17 for Mahikeng as well as for Johannesburg, and even 21 degrees for Richards Bay on the KZN coastline. Also warm into Cape Town with a minimum of 17. Tomorrow afternoon is going to be warm for most of South Africa, even hot for some areas, especially over the western interior. Cape Town and Georgia 25, 27 for Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay in KwaZulu-Natal. In the extended forecast now, Sunday brings mainly sunny and dry weather to South Africa. A very slight chance for a few thunder showers over the northeastern corner of the country once again. And not too much change is expected for Sunday, except that it becomes somewhat cloudy along the eastern coastline. There's a small chance of rain. Uppington, on the other hand, lots of sunshine at 40 degrees.